be studying about the tabular presentation. Now, what is tabular presentation? When you classify your data or organize your data in the rows and columns, then it is known as the statistical table, and that is known as the tabular presentation of the data. So, tabular presentation means statistical table is a systematic organization of data in columns and rows. So your vertical dissections of table are known as columns. Means this is your table. Let's suppose this is your table. These are known as rows. These are known as columns. Your horizontal dissections are known as rows, whereas your vertical dissections are known as columns. Now let's understand what is tabulation. See, tabulation involves the orderly and systematic presentation of numeral data in a form designed to elucidate the problem under consideration. So, tabulation refers to the method or process of presenting data in the forms of rows and columns. So, it refers to the method or process of presenting data in the form of rows and columns. Whereas table, if I talk about, then table is the actual presentation of data in the form of rows and columns. Table is the consequence of tabulation. See, tabulation is the process how we draw a table, and table is the consequence of the tabulation. Now let's understand the components of table, that what table comprises of. Number one is your table number. See, whenever you will see a table in your books, you definitely find a table number like table number 2.3, table number 2.4, or table number A, B. So a table must be numbered. Different tables must have different numbers like 1, 2, 3. So table number is very important, the first component of table. Second goes the title. A table must have a title. Title must be written in bold letters. It should attract the attention of the readers. The title must be simple, clear and short. A good title must reveal the problem under consideration, that what is the problem, the time period of the study, the place of study, the nature of classification of data, which means how you have classified your data. So, the title should be small, precise but accurate. Third is head note. If the title of the table does not give you the complete information, then it must be supplemented with the head note. Head note completes the information in the title of the table. So, such as the units of the data, which means your kgs, lakhs or tons or liters, anything. So, if you are not able to give all the information in the title, write it as a head note. Fourth comes the stubs. See, what are the stubs? These are the title of the rows. Like what rows depicts you, what rows shows you. These titles indicate information contained in the rows of the table. Fifth comes your caption. Now caption is the titles of the columns. Now what columns of the table indicates you are the captions. Sixth goes body or field. Body or field means the subject, the matter. Whatever the information you want to concise means the sum total of items in the table. Then seventh comes is your footnotes. Footnotes are given for clarification of the reader. These are generally given by when information in the table needs to be supplemented or some more information is to be added in the table, so footnotes are given. Eighth is your source. See, when you take the table from some secondary source, then you have to mention the source of the table from where you have taken. That is your publication or publisher, year of publication, reference, page number, etc. So you need to write the source in that part. Now this is the format of table. That is your table number 1, title, then head note. Then this is the table in which, let's say, A, B, C. So these are the row headings N, X, Y, Z. See, these are your captions because these are the headings of the titles of the columns. And these are your stubs. That is the title of the rows. So, and this, whatever it contains the matter, that is your body of the table. So, this is the format of a table and the components of table. I hope you like our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.